What is MICE? Ito yung palagi kong na-encounter na tanong kapag I am telling kung saang industry ako nakabilang. Bilang yung kumpanya namin na 22-year-old na, saang industry ka? Sasabihin ko, sa MICE industry. Isa kaming MICE company. So again, what is MICE? MICE is a specific niche sector in the tourism industry. At ang MICE is an acronym for the following gathering, no? So first is meetings, no? Meetings meaning mga board meetings, association meetings, so mga small gathering kung saan a specific number of people meet together to discuss or address some problems. So that's meetings. Sumunod, incentive travel, no? That's for letter I. What is incentive travel? Ito yung mga nakukuha ng, in particular, yung mga salespeople, mga top salespeople. They're being treated to an incentive travel kung saan may program na nilaan yung kumpanya. Tinap yung isang destination manager, minsan travel and tour companies, para, again, sa isang particular lugar, kunyari Cebu or Bohol, para bigyan ng kakaibang travel program yung mga top salesman nila. Ginagamit ito bilang tool for motivation, no? To appreciate the hard work of these people that achieved more than expected. So that's incentive travel. And next is conventions or conferences for letter C. Alam natin na yung conventions and conferences, minsan yung mga associations like the Philippine Dental Association or Philippine Marketing Association, where I belong, and other industries like this upcoming Metro Manila Business Conference ng Metro Manila Business Chambers, where I am also part of and we're managing that event. Those are conference and conventions kung saan we are learning trends, latest trends dun sa particular industry or what's new in that particular industry or profession. So that is conventions and conferences for you, no? A gathering of like-minded people para i-discuss nga yung mga nabanggit ko kanina. And last but not the least, E is for exhibitions or trade shows. Ito yung mga, you go to World Trade Center, SMX, and of course, I'm giving props to Megatrade, no? Kasi doon kami nagsimula. So you went there, check the different booths, and if you are interested in doing business or being a dealer or distributor of that particular product, then yun yung gagawin mo. So you go to a trade show or exhibition if you want to do business and be part of that particular product or services na under nung isang industriya. So marami tayo dito sa Pilipinas. Katatapos lang ng World Food Expo, katatapos lang ng or paparating pa lang yung Manila Book Fair. So iba-ibang iba-ibang industry pwedeng mag-exhibition. Of course, yung sa amin, no, yung Toycon, it's a pop culture event. Katatapos lang din noong July. So those are expo or trade shows. Again, by the name itself, it's more of trading or you're buying something or you're trying to be a partner of that particular company to be a distributor or dealer, or sometimes naghahanap pala ng mga raw materials para mabuo yung isang produkto mo, bagong supplier. So that's what's happening inside an expo, exhibition, or trade show. So that's MICE, no? Meetings, incentives, conventions, and exhibition. It's a niche industry kung saan doon sa spectrum ng events management, nandun siya isang importanteng particular niche ng events management.